In Mastercam 2026, we have streamlined your workflow, allowing you to effortlessly integrate lathe tool data from generic tool catalogs, or GTC packages. A generic tool catalog is a digital format that helps standardize how cutting tool data is shared between different vendors and applications, making everything more consistent and efficient. It works alongside the ISO 13399 standard to improve communication within the manufacturing industry. Previously, this capability in Mastercam was exclusive to milling tools, but now, in Mastercam 2026, you can create 3D lathe tools with the same ease and efficiency. Let's see how it works. To get started, right-click in the Tool Manager and select Import, Export Tools. Navigate to your GTC file that you've downloaded from your tool vendor, and you will see the list populate. You can choose to import the entire assembly or select individual components. These components are listed below the assembly. Once you've made your selections, click Validate. Mastercam will inspect the data in the models, displaying a green checkmark next to the approved components. From here, we can save it to our current part file or our tool library. And that's it. We've successfully imported lathe tools using the GTC packages, and we're ready to start programming. Thank you for watching.